um and it is also important that you should know, I mean, you should join me right now in the video. If you are not joining me right now in the video, you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with gain x 1200. Okay, so guys, we are starting with gain x 1200. This is 15-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. This actually started a downtrend right from here. It got to this support region at the pullback. It was a major one, and it went back down to break down below the support zone. Okay, and of course, after breaking out below it, it sold for more. I mean, it gave us an opportunity to sell more. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so those that are having a trading tool will have made a lot of profit from there. Okay, so now next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out. This is GainX 999. It actually went on uptrend, got to this region, was unable to go above this, so it started a downtrend, so till it got to this support region, add the pullback, and it will be trying it out again. So I expect this to sell till it gets to this particular spot. Okay, till it gets to this particular spot, and if it breaks out from here, then it should be targeting this region right from here. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be Pin X 1200. This is Pin X 1200. Gave us a downtrend signal at the resistance zone right here, and it had been selling since then. It got to this particular spot. It's not been able to break out from there, even though it's trying it out at the moment. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go into a buy trend, but you need to wait for the buy signal before you go into it. But for now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out below the support region. Okay, next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. PayNext 999 had actually been on uptrend for a very long time, got to the resistance zone two times, was unable to break out from there. It's supposed to go into a downtrend right from here, but it didn't go too far. I even gave a signal on this, but this is what I always tell you. Sometimes the market will always behave like the market. Okay, you can see it was selling, it pulled back right from there, and of course went back up to hit the stop loss, and of course it means it's going to buy more because there is a breakout at the moment. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. It always happens like that. That is why you need to make sure you have everything in place. Okay, your order, your indicators in giving you the good direction, and of course make sure you set your stop loss for every order you are creating. Okay, now let's move on to FX volume 80. Okay, this is FX volume 80. It was an uptrend at the beginning, got to the resistance zone, wasn't able to break out from there, so it started a downtrend, and it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more selling than a buying opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect the trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.